How to sign out of Twitter or X account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can log out of Twitter or the X account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your X application in your mobile device. And if you're already logged in, now if you want to log out of your account, from your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the top left corner, tap on it. You will see this menu bar. Here scroll down a bit and then there is settings and support. Tap on it and it will expand. Again tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, head towards the first option and tap on your account. Again tap on account information. So under this page, if you navigate at the very bottom, there you will have an option to log out. Simply tap on logout and then again confirm it by tapping on logout. And with that, you will be logged out of your Twitter account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.